Hello friends, this is Malika Guha from SupravaTreats. So today I am going to share a very easy and healthy recipe with you, which is blueberry baked yogurt. So friends, let me introduce the ingredients. I have taken 250 grams of fresh cream, 200 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of plain probiotic yogurt. You can also use hung curd. To make the hung curd, take plain yogurt and put it in a strainer or muslin cloth for 4 to 5 hours for the water to drain out. Your hung curd is then ready. I have taken 300 grams of fresh blueberry, 120 grams of castor sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest. So let me start by making the blueberry syrup. So friends, I have put the pan on medium heat and now I am going to add the blueberries. Then I am going to add sugar in it. And please note, I have not added any water in it because blueberry has itself lot of water in it. And I am going to stir it now. So friends, while the blueberry syrup is getting ready, I am going to work on the baked yogurt. So I am going to put the fresh cream first. Condensed milk. Plain probiotic yogurt. Corn flour, lemon zest, everything together, and I am going to mix it properly. So friends, as you can see, the consistency of the mixture, it's runny and it's ready to get baked. So I am going to pour this in the baking mold. I am going to fill half of the mold with this mixture. Now I am going to put little water in the baking pan. Covering it with the aluminum foil. And I am going to put this in the oven at 280 degrees Fahrenheit or 137 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. So friends, now you can see the blueberry syrup has come to a boil and it has thickened enough. So I am going to turn off the gas and keep it aside to cool down. So the baked yogurt is ready and I am going to put them in the fridge for 1 hour. Hey friends, so my baked yogurt is ready. I have taken them out from the fridge and I have put the blueberry syrup on it. Hey, have a look at this friend. It's perfectly baked, almost like a cheesecake, but more healthier and lighter. So friends, I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.